Dala-dala ko talaga. Nabubulol ako pag nagtatagalog ako. Ano ba yan? Mag-try tayo ng English. I love this small camera. This is the Insta360 X4. They got a new one. They called it the X5. The only thing that I do not like this one is the, what do you call it? The low light. Something like that when I'm like in not very good low light. It's dark, but it's, other than that, it's fine. It shoot 360 video 8K, regular videos 4K. When I move like that, it's very smooth. And then yeah, I always carry this camera all the time with me when I'm going to work. It's always in my purse. When I'm going to walk to the neighborhood, when I'm going to the park with Ayla, I always carry this camera. And it's easy to carry because this too small camera, and then again it's perfect for carrying around because it's like a anti-shaky. Even you move, it's smooth. Even you move around, you spin around, the video is still perfect. See, I went to the living room. The living room is dark because there's no lights in the living room. It's so dark. I'm gonna give you an example how bad when it's the lighting is not good, it's not bright. Na foundation, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Oh, cups, drinking cups. Hindi siya made from plastic. Something, basta hindi siya made from plastic kasi we're trying to avoid, we're trying to get rid all the plastic that we have in the kitchen. So this one is good, not made for plastic. Dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer safe, and the BPA free. I don't know what's that mean, but yeah, 6 set of what do you call that, drinking cup. Uy, ang cute. Ang cute ng ng mga color. Yung ganyan yung size niya, guys. So, very colorful. I think Dan ordered it to Ayla to have something not like made of plastic cup. So that's it for the haul. I'm really excited about this foundation. It says moisturizing makeup foundation SPF 45. So meron siyang SPF 45 and the shade 2 and 1 desert beige yung shade na kinuha ko. So yun yung Amazon haul natin. Ayla doesn't want to take a nap. It is 6 o'clock p.m. I don't want her to take a nap like late already. So if she don't want to take a nap, it's okay, so that we can sleep early tonight, because I do work mid shift tomorrow 10 to 7, so not too bad. I don't have to wake up really early because sometimes my schedule is like a rotation schedule. Sometimes I do work like opening 7 to 4, and then sometimes I do work late. It's funny, I have to stop. My SD card full, like really full, so the camera is like stopped for a little bit because the SD card is full. So now I have to stop and delete some of the videos so that I can still continue recording. I don't know if I record the second time I did record, but anyways, yes. So about my schedule at work, my schedule is we call it rotation schedule. It's not the same all the time. Even my days off is not the same all the time. So yeah, it is, it's not too bad, those rotation schedule. You just need to like get used to it, because sometimes you have to wake up early, sometimes you work late, sometimes you work like mid shift, so you just need to get used to it. But anyways, I have to delete some of my videos on this SD card. I don't want to delete everything, the files that I already have on my SD card that I'm using right now. So I had to ask Dan to transfer it to the computer. All the files that I want to save, like I have a bunch of videos of Ayla in this SD card. Okay, I'm gonna re-unbox it again one more time because I don't know what happened to the video that I took earlier. So this is what we got. Thermometer and another thermometer, digital instant read food thermometer. And oops, and I show you already this cup, 6 pieces of wheat, something I forgot, wheat straw cup, and 2 pack of AA battery. This is the second pack, and last one, this, wait, upside down, this Estée Lauder foundation in the shade 2NT Desert Beige. I'm hoping that this is the right shade that I picked, but